Peel-off face masks are very satisfying, but they can be a bit pricey at spas and salons. You can actually get the same effect at home and really pamper your skin. The key is to find right ingredients for your skin, so we came up with 5 best DIY peel-off masks that will help you to get nourished, clean skin. So let's check them out.
The Trendy Beauty team, consisting of skincare and beauty experts, presents the best suitable products for you based on testing, reviews, and recommendations. We research thoroughly for each category on ingredients, formulas, pricing, and feedbacks of users so that you get the best products for your skincare, saving your time.
Honey and Cinnamon Peel-Off Face Mask. If your skin has blackheads and pores, this peel-off mask will minimize the pores and keep your skin nourished. Let's check out the required ingredients first. To prepare this mask, you will need 1 teaspoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and cotton strips. Procedures and application. Just mix the honey and cinnamon powder thoroughly. Apply the mixture on your face, keeping away from eyes. Gently press a thin lining of cotton strips over the mixture to your face. Wait for 5 minutes, remove the strips, and wash it with lukewarm water. Apply your favorite moisturizer afterwards. Benefits. The cinnamon has antimicrobial benefits and antioxidant qualities. That helps to remove blackheads and minimize pores. And the honey provides nourishment to your skin. Charcoal and Clay Peel-Off Face Mask. This charcoal and clay face mask is a homemade remedy for acne and blackhead removal. Let's go through the required ingredients first. To prepare this mask, you'll need 1 teaspoon bentonite clay, 1 capsule activated charcoal, 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar, 3 drops of tea tree oil. Procedures and application. Take a bowl and mix all the ingredients in mentioned quantity together, then store it in a jar. Now cover the whole skin with this mixture and let it dry. After 20 to 30 minutes, peel it off the skin. Then wash your skin with lukewarm water and dab it with a warm towel. Moisturize your skin afterwards. Benefits of the ingredients. The activated charcoal throws bacteria, dirt, and other microparticles to the surface of the skin, helping you to achieve a flawless complexion and fight acne. The bentonite clay helps to remove sebum or oil from the skin's surface, and it may also have a calming effect on inflamed breakouts. The apple cider vinegar and tea tree oil helps to kill acne-causing bacteria. Egg White Peel-Off Mask. If you have blackheads and pores on your face, this egg white peel-off mask will work great for you. Let's go through the required ingredients first. This is the easiest peel-off mask you'll ever make. To prepare this peel-off mask, you'll need egg white and tissue paper. Procedures and application. At first, separate egg white and paint a layer on your face with a brush or by hand. Cover your face with tissue paper. Again, apply over that with more egg white. Leave for 20 to 30 minutes, then peel off. Dab your skin with a warm towel. Moisturize your skin afterwards to get better results. Benefits of the ingredients. This peel-off mask can pull out the pores and dirt from your face easily and provide a softer, healthier skin. Turmeric Peel-Off Face Mask. If you want a glowy skin, this turmeric peel-off face mask is the right choice for you. Let's go through the required ingredients. To prepare this mask, you will need half teaspoon turmeric powder, 6 to 8 mint leaves, and 1 tablespoon of unflavored gelatin. Procedures and application. Boil some water. Drop the mint leaves and let it simmer for a few minutes. Strain the leaves and add the turmeric and gelatin powder. Mix it thoroughly till it becomes a paste and let it cool down for a few minutes. Apply the thick paste on your face and wait for 15 minutes. Gently peel off the mask in an upward motion and wash your face with lukewarm water and moisturize. Let's check out the benefits of the ingredients. The turmeric is one of the best organic components that has more than 300 antioxidants. It helps to clear your skin, reduces acne problems, dark circles, and protects against sun damage and aging. The mint leaves help to hydrate your skin and regulate the oil distribution, cleaning out your pores as well. And the gelatin helps to pull out the blackheads, leaving your skin smooth and glowing. Green tea and cucumber peel-off face mask. Looking for a refreshing DIY peel-off mask? Then our next peel-off mask will be a great one for your skin. It's the green tea and cucumber peel-off face mask. Let's check out the required ingredients. For this, you will need 1 small cucumber, half cup brewed green tea, and 1 tablespoon of gelatin. Procedures and application. Remove the cucumber seeds and put it through the grinder till it reaches a puree consistency. Strain the puree so you can get the water content of the vegetable. Heat the water and add brewed green tea and gelatin to it. Take it off the flame and wait to reach lukewarm temperature. Use a brush to apply all over your face. If needed, apply second coat. Wait for 20 to 30 minutes and peel off the mask in an upward motion. Benefits. Cucumber has antibacterial properties that kill the root cause of pimples and provide your skin moisture. The green tea has a gentle and calming effect on your skin, and the gelatin in it adds to the removal of blackheads, which is just a bonus. Thanks for watching!
Hey guys! If you like the video, then hit the like and share it with your friends. Comment below to let us know about your thoughts. Consider subscribing to the channel if you love our videos and press the bell icon to get notified of our future videos.